Hi everyone, today we will look at the new automatic direction analysis options in Cimatron 15. This option exists in three tools: the direction analysis, quick split, and the extraction of electrodes. We will start with direction analysis. When we get this kind of part, it's pretty hard to determine what is the right opening direction for it. We will open the direction analysis tool. We will not select the entire object. We will only select external faces. The internal faces may give us faulty results in the analysis. Let's make sure we took all the external faces. Okay, looks good. So automatically we get the normal analysis, and we can try and orientate the part by rotating it and finding the right direction, but that will be pretty hard. We have a new option called Suggest Direction. If we click that, the system will analyze all possible orientations and will find the one with the least amount of resistance or the least amount of undercuts. When the analysis is done, we get the new direction and we can see the results are pretty good. We almost have 0 undercuts. At this point, as always, we can create a work CS by which we can determine the opening directions or change the part orientation, actually move the part to the orientation we got. Another capability we have with this new analysis algorithm is to use it inside the quick split tool. If we define a new direction, we can select faces, for example, for this slider. And now we would want to find the opening direction for it. But as you can see, all faces are drafted, and there's also no face in the back I can take a normal from. So it will be pretty hard to set this direction manually. But what we can do is again ask the system to suggest a direction. And so immediately we get a direction suggested that is exactly right for this slider. We also get the by angle dialog opened up, so if we want to use round angles, we can just do this and get nice round angles for our direction.